Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial I will show you how to transfer money using Wise. So basically guys, Wise is a platform that allows you to transfer money from person to person, from Wise account to your bank account. For example, if you had some money logged in PayPal, you can just transfer it into Wise and then from Wise into your bank accounts. So how we can actually use Wise to be able to transfer money, that's what we are going to learn in this tutorial. So first of all guys, what I need you to do is go ahead and open Wise in your browser or on your device, which is your phone or PC, and then you'll find this page like that. Here you can log in if you have already an account. If not, you can just register. You can put here your email address. Here you can, and then you click on next. You fill some informations, then you put your phone number and your password, and you will be ready to go. Or else you can just log in using your Gmail or Facebook or Apple account. Now after you create your account, it will be open something like that. So it will be something like that. Now how you can actually transfer money, you can just click on send money. Here you choose the currency, for example from currency to currency and etc. So for example, if you are going to transfer euro to euro, it will not take a lot of time, but if you are going to make an international transfer, it will take some days. So let's say for example euro to euro. Now we click on continue. Here we choose the kind of account that we are using or the transfer. So here we choose whether it is personal or business or on behalf of someone else. So let's create personal, and then basically here you just have to put your information that is legally correct, because they will ask you later on for verification or like ID card or something like that in order to complete this request. So after that you click on continue. They will review it, and then after they accepted, you will pay and you will transfer that money to anyone. So yeah guys, that was it with today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.